Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome back at it again. All right, we have another offering from our friends over at Start RC. This is a film applicator for your Pocket 3. This is going to protect your screen as well as your lens. This is a 2-pack, so it comes with 2 of the applicators for both of the areas, the screen and the camera. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at everything that comes in the box and apply it to this Pocket 3. And I'll show you guys and walk you through all of the processes. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so in the box, as you guys can see, we get a number of different things. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. All right, we get a lot of stuff. So let's spread everything out here on the table so you guys can get a better look at what we get. Like I said, we get 2 of everything. So we're going to get cleaning supplies. We're going to get our alcohol wipes. So you're going to get 2 sets of these alcohol wipes that come with it. That's nice. These can really come in handy. Keep one of these in your camera bag at all times. You have the applicator tapes, and that's just replacements in case you need them. You have 1 of each, as you guys see here. Now those are going to already be on these as well. And then you have these little cleaners, which comes in handy for cleaning off your screen. You get 4 of those. So 1 for each one of the different areas of the camera. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to need 1 of these and, well, basically 2 of those, and we are pretty much good to go. So let's put everything else off to the side. This is what we're going to be working with in this video, and let's get everything cleaned up and apply it to our Pocket 3. All right, guys, let's get right to it. So first things first, we want to clean off the area, make sure there's no dust, fingerprints, oils, anything like that. So you're going to take your alcohol wipe like this, and then you're just going to wipe down the lens as well as the screen. So I try to hold them, as close as I can to my fingers, and then I can just go in here and lightly wipe away any oils or any residue that could be on here. Looks pretty good to me. All right, so the next step we want to do is we want to remove any excess dust or anything like that, and that's what these are going to be used for. So really simply, all you have to do is take these, just like if you were applying this, you're looking for dust or anything that could be on your screen, just like so. All right, so the next step is to make sure that the screen is dry. Now I do see a little something on my screen here. I'm going to see if I can get that off. Looks pretty good. Go ahead. One more time. Make sure we don't have any more dust on there. Just kind of go through like so. Okay. Now, you guys may notice there's a little lip press right here. That's what you normally press to turn the screen on. This has that same little indicator or indentation right here as well. So you're going to fit that on here. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this back piece off. You're going to press that down. It doesn't have to be super, tight on there. You're just going to press it, and you'll start to see the liquid start to go through, and you can just run your finger along here just to make sure everything is, where it's supposed to be. It should be perfectly lined up. Then you can just pull this little tab like so, and then you're ready to take this off. And then you have one more step, and that's going to be removing this outer piece like so. And now you have your new screen protector on your screen. Now, when it comes to the lens itself, all you have to do is rotate this guy around just like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through basically the same process. You can use the same alcohol wipe if you want to, but I usually swap them. But for this video, we're just going to use the same one. We're just going to clean the lens, make sure there's no fingerprints or oils or anything like that on the lens. If you see any type of buildup from being outdoors, you just want to try and clean as much of that as you can. I wouldn't apply too much pressure here. Give this a lot of support from your hands as you're doing this. And then we're going to take another one of these, and we're going to use that to also clean the lens. So we're just going to go over, making sure we get all of the dust, any fingerprints or anything like that that could be on there. Give that a few seconds to dry. Now, sometimes I will go over it with a another cloth or something just to make sure if I see anything. And it's very important to do this in a well-lit environment so you can see if there's any, cloudiness or anything like that on there. And I'm going to just go ahead and hit that again with this alcohol wipe. I'm just going to run that down like so, making sure we got everything off. And then we can take our dust tab. All right, guys, so the next step is to align your lens protector. Again, you're going to do basically the same thing. You're going to remove that inner tab. You're going to place this over the lens, just like before. You apply a little bit of pressure. You can kind of run your finger along here like so. You're going to pull away this tab. Like so. And then you can remove this. And then there's an outer piece that you have to remove as well. So we're just going to go ahead and remove that. This little piece comes off. And now you should have a perfectly clean lens on there, just like so. So now when we turn this guy on, there we go. Now you have that extra protection on here. You have the UV on here as well. You have all of your different features that you would normally have with your Pocket 3. It is a win. So powering it off, let's make sure it's not going to create any problems. For the lens closing, nope, we look pretty good there. Swap that guy down. Of course, always keep yourself a little, cleaning rag where you can always get all the fingerprints off. But in a nutshell, guys, that's how it works. So if you're looking for a way to additionally protect your screen, this could be a win. And also the lens, also, it's a win. All right, guys, this has been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to walk you guys through how to install the screen protector as well as the lens protector that was sent out to me. Start RC. Yeah, I like that. Let me see if I can get this a little bit closer so you guys can see. And let's take a closer look at the lens as well. Yeah, I see a little something on there, but that's for me touching the screen. All right, looks perfect. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.